Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Trading for Beginners. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find code of indicators on your TradingView account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, I assume that you have already logged into your TradingView account. After logging in, you'll see this kind of interface. From here, all you got to do is look on the top left corner of your screen and you'll find the indicators. Click it. From here, just pick any of the script that you like, just hover over it and you'll find code on the right side of your screen. Just click on source code and source code will be appeared on your bottom of your screen. It's easy and simple. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up, comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time and thank you for watching.